In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down field in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the option that says Start or Send an Envelope. This is where you begin preparing a document for someone to review and complete. Next, upload the document where you want to add the drop-down field. After the file is added, enter the recipient's name and email address so DocuSign knows who will be interacting with the document. Once that's done, select Next to open the document editor. This is the workspace where you can place and customize fillable fields. Inside the editor, look for the Fields panel and find the drop-down field. Select it, then place the drop-down in the appropriate location on the document. Try to position it clearly near the related text or section, so it's obvious what the recipient is expected to choose. Good placement helps make the document easier to complete and reduces confusion. After the field is on the document, select the drop-down itself to open its settings. In these settings, enter the choices you want to appear in the drop-down list. Make sure each option is worded clearly and consistently, since this will affect how easy it is for the recipient to make the correct selection. Once your options are entered, arrange them in the order you want them to appear. You can organize them logically, such as by priority, alphabetical order, or the order that best fits your workflow. Next, assign the drop-down field to the correct recipient. This is important, especially if the document is being sent to more than one person, because it ensures the right person is able to interact with that field. If the recipient must choose an option before finishing the document, mark the drop-down as required. That way the field can't be skipped during completion. Before moving on, review the drop-down field and all of its available choices. Take a moment to confirm that the field is in the right spot, assigned correctly, and showing the exact options you want. This quick review can help prevent mistakes before the document is sent. When everything looks good, select Next or Send to continue. Finally, verify that the recipient can select an option from the drop-down when completing the document. This final check helps confirm that the field works as expected and that the document experience will be smooth for the signer. Thanks for watching.